Want to feel stronger, live longer, and boost your energy every day? Physical fitness is the key. Let's uncover how simple exercises can transform your body and mind starting today. Here's an overview of the key aspects. Components of physical fitness. Number 1. Cardiovascular endurance enhances heart and lung function, allowing sustained physical activity. Number 2. Muscular strength increases the ability to perform daily tasks and reduces the risk of injuries. Number 3. Muscular endurance supports prolonged activities without fatigue. Number 4. Flexibility improves the range of motion in joints and reduces stiffness. Number 5. Body composition balances muscle mass and body fat for optimal health. Benefits of regular exercise. Number 1. Physical health controls weight, reduces risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and hypertension, strengthens bones and muscles. Number 2. Mental health reduces stress, anxiety, and depression, enhances mood and cognitive function. Number 3. Overall well-being improves sleep quality, boosts energy levels and productivity, enhances longevity. Types of exercise. Number 1. Aerobic cardio, running, cycling, swimming for heart health. Number 2. Strength training, weightlifting, resistance bands for muscle building. Number 3. Flexibility exercises, yoga, stretching for improved mobility. Number 4. Balance exercises, Tai Chi, balance boards for coordination. Tips for starting. Number 1. Set realistic and measurable fitness goals. Number 2. Begin with moderate intensity activities and gradually increase intensity. Number 3. Incorporate a mix of different types of exercise. Number 4. Stay consistent with your routine. Number 5. Listen to your body to avoid overexertion or injury. Stay active, stay healthy because your body deserves the best. Start your fitness journey today and feel the difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And for more tips, hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.